every month I sit down and I talk to business owners, entrepreneurs, folks who have real expertise in their space. Numerous amount of them have one of these three problems, and I'm going to tell you exactly what these three problems are that are keeping them from making upwards of $10,000 from their content. Number one is that they don't have any content at all. They have really great expertise. They are amazing at what they do, but they're not creating any content. Usually the thing that's holding them back is that they don't want to seem professional, right? And when I ask them what the definition of professional is, they say, well, I'm not really sure. Well, if you don't know the definition, then how can you say that something is deemed unprofessional and that you don't want to show up in that way? I guarantee you, if you are a person that really cares about your industry and cares about the way you project yourself, you will not come off as unprofessional. Number two, they don't have monetization turned on. You will not get paid. Even if you get 3 million, 4 million, 5 million views, 10,000 or 10 million views on your video, if you do not have monetization turned on, the platforms will not pay you. They will be like, oh, that's amazing, great, yay, clap, 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 but they will not pay you a red cent, one dime, one penny. So you need to turn on monetization. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead and DM me the word help and I'll help you. And then number three is they don't have any strategy or any systems in place. So they are posting and they may be getting amazing views, but they aren't monetizing and they're spending a lot of time creating content